When you live in Mesa, you experience everything from scorching summer afternoons to crisp desert nights. That kind of temperature fluctuation means your home needs windows that can keep up, and double-hung windows continue to be one of the most popular choices among local homeowners. Known for their versatility, energy efficiency, and easy maintenance, double-hung windows are designed to deliver year-round comfort, making them an ideal fit for homes across the valley. Superior airflow for every season. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their customizable ventilation. Both the upper and lower sashes can move independently, giving you better control over how air flows through your home. During cooler fall and winter days in Mesa, opening the top sash allows warm air to escape without creating a direct draft. On the other hand, opening the lower sash in spring brings in fresh air from outside while maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature. This flexibility is especially important in a desert climate where temperatures can shift dramatically throughout the year. Double-hung windows offer the ventilation options homeowners need to stay comfortable naturally, reducing dependence on mechanical cooling when the weather allows. Energy efficiency that helps beat the heat. Mesa summers are no joke. With temps regularly soaring above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, energy-efficient windows are essential for keeping cooling costs under control. Double-hung windows are often built with insulated frames, low E-glass coatings, and multiple panes that help reflect heat and block UV rays. This combination reduces thermal transfer, meaning your home stays cooler for longer without your air conditioner working overtime. Many Mesa homeowners choose double-hung windows during upgrades because they provide a powerful balance between performance and affordability. These windows help maintain a stable indoor temperature, lower monthly utility bills, and create a more comfortable living space no matter how extreme the outdoor heat becomes. Easy cleaning and low-maintenance dust storms, monsoon winds, and desert sand can leave your windows looking dirty more often than you'd like. Double-hung windows make cleaning much easier, thanks to their tilt-in sashes. Instead of needing ladders or special tools, you can clean both sides of the glass from inside your home. This is a huge advantage for multi-story homes or anyone looking for a simpler, safer way to keep windows spotless. Additionally, modern double-hung windows are typically made from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass. These materials don't warp, peel, or corrode in extreme heat, which makes them a smart long-term investment for Mesa's sun-heavy climate. Enhanced safety and security. Security is a top concern for homeowners, and double-hung windows provide multiple built-in safety features. Because the sashes can lock into place securely, they create a strong barrier against forced entry. Many models also allow you to open the top sash for airflow while keeping the lower sash locked, ideal for families with young children or pets. Some double-hung windows are even available with reinforced glass or upgraded locking systems to provide extra peace of mind without compromising style or ease of use. Timeless style that matches any home. Whether your Mesa home has a traditional Southwest design, a modern aesthetic, or a blend of both, double-hung windows fit right in. Their clean lines and classic appearance complement nearly any architectural style. They can also be customized with different frame colors, grid patterns, and hardware finishes, making it easy to match your windows to your home's personality. A smart choice for Mesa living. Double-hung windows remain a top choice for Mesa homeowners because they deliver the perfect combination of comfort, efficiency, and convenience. From improved ventilation and energy savings to easier maintenance and better safety, these windows offer year-round benefits that make your home more enjoyable and more efficient. If you're considering a window upgrade, double-hung windows are a smart, reliable, and stylish option perfectly suited to Mesa's unique climate.